lang galit niya, Lisan. Malayo.
Are you ready? Okay. Bring me Philippine money.
Money, money?
Philippine money.
Wala.
Anything coins? Banknotes? Yes! We won again! Okay, take your place. Okay, next is bring me iPhone 16. It's a prank! Wala pa!
Hala, damuhan.
It's a prank. Again. Oh, listen. Bring me your dad.
Bilis, bilis, bilis!
Mali-dali na.
Malami.
Laruin na lang natin ang magulang, hindi naman mga bata naglalaro eh. Joke lang.
Okay, the next game is spelling. Okay, who can spell red?
Wala.
Okay, next. We'll stick to bring me, okay? Okay. Bring me